Hello, my lovelies. I want to show you one palette, one brush. This is the 3D brush and I use this every day. So my daughter's getting married in August and I'm starting to think about, cause I'm weird this way, about my makeup. Like, I'm not real sure what color dress I'm gonna wear yet. I don't know if it's gonna be like a pink or maybe a sage green. So this is my second highlight. This is my white peach. And I'm putting that underneath, put it down the center of my nose, on my forehead, here. I'm using linen here. Anyway, I'm trying to decide how dramatic I want to go. Like, I don't want to look like a clown, but I want to look really, really pretty. I'm taking the bottom of my 3D brush, I'm squeezing it just a little bit. I'm putting it in my contour, which I'm using Stone today. And I'll blend this all in a little bit, so don't worry about it. It's meant to blend. Cream makeup is so kind to mature skin, not mature skin, medium skin, acne skin, birthmark skin. Okay, so I've got that. Now I'm going to take the end of my brush and I'm just going to tap everything in. My nose isn't really big or wide, but sometimes I like to take a little bit of contour and make the bottom of my nose look slimmer. Take the top of that and color number 4 is my favorite, grapefruit or Hollywood. I like them both. Actually, I have a lot of favorites. Again, take the bottom of my brush and add some of that pink. There we go. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Comment, I'm ready, and I'll do a free color match for you. No strings attached. But once you try this makeup, you'll be like me and you will just be hooked. One palette, one brush. This will keep you for 6 months or longer. It's worth the investment, I promise.